What it do? What's up? What's goody? Back again with another video. I hope you guys are ready. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful DIY celebrity inspired wedding backdrop flower wall. I decided to DIY this because I needed a new backdrop for my client video or my Instagram. So if you guys want to know how your girl hooked this up for less than $100, stay tuned. If you're already part of the family, go ahead and tag a friend below so that they can join and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that your notification bells is on because you don't want to miss what's next. And let's get into the video because I'm so excited to show you guys how I did this. So right now I'm in Lowe's trying to find these styrofoam boards. I haven't vlogged in so long. I forgot how weird it could be to have people staring at you holding up the camera. Okay, I found the boards. Oh, don't mind my arm. Sometimes when I do hair too much, like back to back to back, it'll start hurting me. Okay, so to be honest, I didn't measure a damn thing. I feel like this is low-key huge, like compared to me. I feel like I might need to get it cut. I can't even begin to explain to you how I got these boards home. I thought it was gonna fit in my car, but it didn't, so I had to strap it to the roof of my car. If you're gonna do this project, just make sure you bring a car that's big enough for them to fit. Getting them cut will help me in the long run too, because I'll be saving on how much flowers I use and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the materials I'm gonna be using. You guys saw me purchase the board at Lowe's. I had them cut part of the bottom off because it was just gonna be way too tall. Like it's literally almost at my ceiling. Like with this on it, it wouldn't have fit. And then behind me are all the flowers. In here, I think I have like 300 or 400 flowers or something like that. I'm gonna start pinning them in here and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Just a sidebar, my brows look popping. If y'all hear noise in the background, please excuse that. There's people here. I have my friend over here helping me. She's stressed. And we're watching Aaliyah and Wizard Kelly's video. What we're doing is basically, she's cutting off the stems up to like here. And then she's taking the rest of the stems and cutting them into pieces to use to poke through the pink and the white ones so that we can line them up and put them in here. Cutting the stem like that. So this one is done. This one I could just stick in here. Okay, so then she takes the pink one that doesn't have a stem and then she sticks it through the back. Okay, and then make sure it's secure and that you don't see it through the top. And then she just cuts off the stem to the same size as this one, like that. And that's it. This is how far I've gotten. I'm moving slow, whatever. I'm not really going for any sort of pattern or anything like that, but I am trying to stick them in between each other. So like these two are here and then this one, this champagne one is in the middle of it. Leaves have holes in the bottom of them. So I'm gonna stick the stem. What I was trying to explain was that the leaves have holes at the bottom of them. So I stuck the flowers that look like roses through them, and then I just stuck it straight through the board. Part of the board is showing. I'm definitely gonna fill it in. I have this much left. Update on the board, this is how far I've gotten. The thing is, I ran out of certain colors for the flowers I was using. I don't have any more whites, any more champagnes, and I have a few more of these darker ones, these darker pink ones. I have a whole bunch of the pink, but I didn't want the board to just be mainly pink. I wanted it to have some contrast to it, you know, some flavor and stuff. I quickly ordered a lot more flowers off of Amazon and overnight shipped it. Shout out to Amazon because they be holding it down. I'm gonna take out a lot of these whites and replace them with the other ones that I have. And remember that I'm actually doing 2 boards, not just one, because essentially this is going to act as a room divider for my studio. So the reason I ended up taking out some of the whites and placing other colors of flowers into the board was because, one, I wanted the board to be more vibrant, more bright, you know what I mean? So now that that side is done, to make it easier for myself not to keep bending down, I just flipped the board over and completed the top. So the stems were really easy to poke through the Styrofoam board. That's why I opted to use the Styrofoam board and have them poke through instead of like gluing the flowers on, because I felt like over time the glue would get old and it would just fall off. And then the stems that were long enough to like poke through the actual board, I just ended up bending them on the back side of the board, and it was fine. So there you have it, you guys. The board is complete. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that it was helpful if you're trying to create your own flower wall. The only thing I would recommend is that you bend the stems that are too long in the back, just so that the flowers have something to grip onto. And if you want to add some jewels like I did, I got these from Amazon just to make the board pop. You know I was working hard to get this video done because I didn't cut myself. The flowers I got from Amazon. The studs I got from Amazon too. Board I got from Lowe's. Pair of scissors, and that's all you need. It took so long to do this. But it's done. I'm so freaking excited. Instagram pictures for my clients is gonna look so much better. So I just wanted to show you an example of one of my clients whose makeup I did in front of the flower wall, just to give you an idea of how it just glams up the overall look of your Instagram videos. Heard you, Pooh. I chose to make the flower wall myself because it was more inexpensive that way. I actually ended up cutting a lot off my board, if you can see from where my ceiling is. If you guys are interested in making your own flower wall and doing your own little color scheme, make sure that you tag me in your videos, in your pictures. I kind of just bought the flowers that were the cheapest, to be honest, because these pink flowers and the white flowers came in like a count of like 200 for like $28 or $25 or something like that. So I was like, not really the color scheme I want, but it was the cheapest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that your post notification bell is on, because I will be coming with so many more videos for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.